How to view locked chats on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can view the locked chat. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to view the WhatsApp locked chat, it is very easy. You just need to open the WhatsApp app. After opening the WhatsApp app, if you're looking on how we can lock the chat, you just need to simply tap on one of the chats. After that, one of the chats with the person. After that, you just need to go to their profile, and there you'll be able to see this chat lock option. Just enable it and you should be able to lock that chat. So in order to view that chat, you just need to go to the home page. After that, you just need to swipe up and you'll be able to see this lock chat option very easily. Simply tap on lock chat and you need to enter your PIN, or you may just use a screen lock method, whichever you have used on the screen, fingerprint, face, or use any PIN or any password verification that you've set. After that, I get easy access to the chat that I've locked on my device. So therefore, by following this method, you can view the locked chat on WhatsApp very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.